Introducing the 2026 Arona 1.0 T SISE Plus in stunning blue. Packed with features such as Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning, this hatchback is built for comfort and safety. With multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and automatic hazard lights, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle also comes with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty for added assurance. Don't miss out on this stylish and secure ride. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive away in the Arona and experience the ultimate in style, comfort, and security.